third area of unintentional resistance that you may not see now, but it's coming, is the threat that people feel. This is a little bit different from fear, although all this is very much related. But when I talk about threats, what I mean by that is if you think about the average person in your organization that's been surviving through heroics, they figured out that spreadsheet, they cracked the code on how to build a bunch of macros in a spreadsheet to filter information the way it needed to be analyzed to the executive team. And that person has survived through heroics. They've been recognized for their efforts, and that's a core part of their identity as an employee within your organization. However, when you start thinking about how you're going to automate that person's job, and you tell that person, we're going to take that spreadsheet, we're going to move it from your desktop, and we're going to put it in a modern ERP system, and it's going to be centralized, you're not going to have to use that spreadsheet anymore, and it's going to automate a big part of your job, that's where the threat starts to kick in, because that might be the best thing for the company. But as an individual, if I took pride in creating that spreadsheet 10 or 20 years ago, and for 10 or 20 years, I've been recognized for all my great accomplishments using that spreadsheet. If you take that spreadsheet away, even if I'm going to have a better job going forward, and I just don't know it yet, right now I'm worried that I don't have that same value.